Michael B. Jordan is expanding his empire and taking his talents from behind the screen to the head of the boardroom. According to The Hollywood Reporter, the 29-year-old actor has just launched his own production company called Outlier Productions. After turning heads as the lead in box office smashes like Creed, Jordan decided that he wanted to tell stories too. His Outlier production company just signed a multi-year first-look film and TV production deal with Skydance Media. His first project, a scripted TV series called Apollo Park, is already in the works. It's set to follow the meteoric rise of a young basketball player who has to deal with unforeseen levels of fame. As we expected, Michael is super excited, saying, "I love telling true modern stories, and Apollo Park, an underdog tale about a very real and very heroic hustler who defies stereotypes and thrives against great odds, has long been a passion project of mine." After adding how excited he was about working with Skydance, he also said, "I'm also very eager to start this new chapter in my career by launching my production company, and I am thrilled." How awesome is that? Congrats again to Mike. This is such a major move, and I can't wait to see all the magic you create. Send my guys some love in the comments below or on Twitter using the hashtag BETBreaks. And for more movie news, stay tuned to BET.com. I'm Gia Peppers, and I'll see you next time.